Using multiple cameras in a large conference room or classroom is possible with the G7500. HDCI, USB and HDMI cameras can be used as well as the Eagle Eye Director. To configure your cameras, utilize the web interface of the G7500. Under Video Inputs, you'll see the various camera inputs that are available. Renaming the sources will make it simple for end users to select the camera. By default, HDCI and USB sources are set to people and HDMI can be configured as content or people. With remote control, select Camera, then select Camera, and choose the camera you would like to send as the main people source. From the TCH, select Camera, and then choose the camera you'd like to send as people from the drop-down menu. If you are using Zoom or another service provider, changing camera sources may not be supported. Please see software release notes for additional information on the particular service provider.